Alrighty guys, my name is Coach Allie and today we are working on the progression to the bent leg dips. This is just straight legs, super simple, all the same rules apply. Let's get into it. You're going to start by sitting on the edge of the bench, just as you did the regression of this. Your hands are going to be behind your body, fingertips facing forward. And then you're going to walk your legs straight out in front of you. Only your heels should be on the floor, and as of right now, your hips are still up in the air. Keep your chest up and then begin to lower your body. Your arms should come down to a 90-degree angle. Same rules apply. Your core is engaged. You're breathing at the top, going down, and then exhaling on the way up. This one burns, but this is where the magic happens. So keep pushing and stay fearless. I'll see you in the next demonstration. These